Welcome to Oments, where we bring you the most intense and jaw-dropping moments of nature's fury.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Stay tuned. This is Oments. Yo, check this out. We're kicking things off in what looks like an amusement park or outdoor market. And bam! A dust devil straight out of nowhere. Look at that debris flying, umbrellas getting tossed, people scrambling. It's like a mini tornado, but thankfully, mostly just dusty chaos. Nature's just flexing a little bit, showing who's boss. Whoa, hold up. This ain't no ordinary breeze. We're talking serious wind, folks. Those tents are getting ripped apart like they're made of paper. See all that stuff scattering? This is getting real. Mother Nature is not playing around. Look at those trees. They're bending over like they're doing yoga in a hurricane. The wind's gotta be insane. This is the kind of stuff that knocks out power and makes you want to stay inside. Okay, we went from wind to... what? Is that snow? Hail? It's like a blizzard just rolled in out of nowhere. People are running for cover, grabbing whatever they can to shield themselves. Talk about a weather whiplash. From sunny skies to this? Crazy. This ain't your average beach day, people. We're talking serious storm surge. The waves are massive, coming right up onto the land, and that water looks dirty. This is the kind of stuff that causes major flooding and damage. This is incredible, but also terrifying. Uh-oh, this girl's having a real rough time with the wind. Oh my God. That wind just ripped the roof off that house. It's breaking apart. This is serious damage. Driving in this? No way. Visibility is almost zero. It's like driving through a waterfall. The streets are rivers, and look at that delivery guy, trying to make his deliveries in that. Dedication. This dash cam footage is insane. You can barely see anything. The wind's blowing everything around. The streets are rivers. Cars are submerged, people are wading through knee-deep water. It's a total mess. We're back to the sea, and is that a waterspout?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
No way, is that a snake in the water? It's swimming around and just floated up onto the beach. Look at this chicken running around outside. These people ran in and locked their doors. Even the subway isn't safe. Water's pouring into the station. It's like a scene from a disaster movie. This is gonna cause some major disruptions, and people are still trying to navigate it. Unbelievable. Hold up. Is that guy surfing in the floodwaters? But seriously, that water's probably not clean, so maybe not the best idea. This is just devastation. Cars underwater, roads completely washed out. It's like the whole landscape has been transformed. This is going to take a long time to recover from.
快点去拉他，快点去拉他，咋个整啊？赶紧！
接进去。
That river is raging. It's like a torrent of muddy water, carrying everything in its path. You wouldn't want to be anywhere near that. This is not good. It appears that some people standing near the shore are getting pulled in and pummeled by huge ocean waves. This is what a hurricane looks like up close and personal. This bridge is collapsing while people stand by and watch, helpless. Here are more shots of the devastation left by the storms. You can see homes destroyed and bridges completely gone. They're out there fishing, even with a storm raging around them. They're holding on to their umbrellas trying to stay dry, but it's a losing battle. Hey, maybe the fish are biting better in the storm. Nature is powerful, beautiful, and sometimes pretty darn scary. Stay safe out there, folks. The dust devils, the floods, the winds that could rip a roof off. It ain't just about gawking at crazy videos, folks. It's about respect. Respect for Mother Nature. She's beautiful, yeah, but she's also a force to be reckoned with. This ain't just entertainment. This is real life. Real people getting hit hard. So here's the deal. Be prepared. Know your local risks. Is it hurricanes, floods, tornadoes? Have a plan. Have a kit. Don't wait until the sirens are blaring. Pay attention. Don't ignore those weather warnings. They're not just suggestions, they're lifesavers. If they tell you to evacuate, get out. Don't be stupid. Seriously. Don't go chasing storms for a selfie. Don't drive through flooded roads. Don't stand on the beach when a hurricane's coming in. It ain't worth it. Your life is more important than a viral video. Help each other. When disaster strikes, we're all in it together. Check on your neighbors. Offer help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy moments caught on camera. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Oments for more incredible moments of nature's fury.